Oh, look at all the clouds. Celestine, do you see the pictures the clouds are making? Mm-mm. Juanita?
Uh-uh.
I see something. It's a cat.
I don't see a cat. Where? There?
No, it's all gone now. But look, look. There's the professor.
The professor?
Where?
I don't know. Where did he go? Now that's a question mark, isn't it?
A question mark? Pierrot, where do you see a question mark?
Pierrot, I've got a question. How come you're seeing all these things in the clouds?
Yeah.
Sure, go ahead and laugh. All I know is I saw what I saw. How come clouds can do that? How come they can change their shapes like that? What are the clouds made out of, anyhow? I'll go ask the professor.
Professor? Professor?
Who's there?
It's me, Pierrot. Professor, could you tell me about clouds?
Clouds? Clouds? Clouds cause me nothing but trouble. Look how they get in front of my telescope. I can't look at important things in the sky when they're around. Clouds.
But, Professor, could you please tell me what clouds are made out of?
Oh, certainly. Clouds are made of tiny drops of water. Would you like to see how the water gets into the air and forms clouds? Good. Now, you know that most of the Earth is covered with water.
The oceans.
That's right. Water from the oceans is always evaporating. Tiny bits of it are always rising into the air. When the sun warms the air rises and carries the water up with it, higher and higher into the sky.
Hey, we're going up too, just like the water in the air.
Yes. Now, as the air goes up, it gets cooler. Cool air can't hold as much water as warm air can, so the tiny bits of water come out of the air and get bigger. They condense. They become tiny water drops that stick together and form a cloud.
I feel the water. I'm getting wet. And the air, it's cold.
But the droplets in the cloud are getting bigger and bigger, heavier and heavier. When they're too heavy to float in the air, they fall out of the cloud and down to the earth. That's called rain.
So that's how we get rain. Professor, the wind.
I know. It's getting stronger. We'd better go back down.
That was fun.
Yes, it was. Now, if you use your imagination a little bit more, we'll see where snow comes from. But we'll have to pretend that it's winter and the temperature where the clouds are is below freezing.
Oh, okay, Professor. It's winter.
When it's cold, clouds aren't made of water droplets. Instead, they're made of ice crystals. Now look, Each snowflake was formed in a cloud. Tiny crystals of ice got bigger and bigger until they were too heavy to float in the air. Then they fell to Earth as snowflakes. Snowflakes are crystals of ice that have 6 sides. They're shaped like hexagons, and everyone is different. No two are ever exactly alike.
So rain and snow both come from clouds. When it's warm, we get rain, and when it's cold enough, we get snow.
That's right, Pierrot.
Can we stop pretending it's winter?
Are you getting too cold?
Yes, I am.
I think we've used our imaginations quite enough for one day, Pierrot. It's much more pleasant being warm and enjoying the sunshine. There, that's much better.
Thank you, Professor.
Anytime. Well, back to work.
Goodbye, Professor. Goodbye. I know what I'll do.
Huh? What? Pierrot! My goodness, what are you doing up there?
I'm going to tell my friend Booty-Too all about clouds and rain and snow.